Wow, this is the most beautiful and amazing transformation you've ever seen. You gonna like this. Oh my goodness. Please do subscribe right now if you haven't, and click on the notification bell for new videos coming up. I am JK, the CEO of Hair Crown and professional hairstylist and hairdresser. Look at this transformation. These are her natural dreads. She was tired of them, yet she never wanted to remove them, and hence she decided to choose another hairstyle to suit in her dreadlocks. She asked me what to do, and I advised her to try butterfly locks or distress locks, and look at what she got. Everyone out there, I salute you for loving hair crown. In case you want to learn different hairstyles and hair techniques, please go into the comment section, write to me, or go onto my social media platforms, that is TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, X, everywhere you can find me, or on straight on my email address, and get me, write to me, or you can WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number. It is on this YouTube channel called Hair Crown UG. Yes, here this is what we do when we want to transform hairstyle, rather from transform dreadlocks to distressed locks, as you're going to see. This is how I started it, and this is how I started. Of course, you have to be with molding gel, and then with your braids. This case here, I'm using Gina. The braids are called Gina Spring. I distangle them, and then I do like this. Of course, I have to get my gel to help me hold this hair very well and make my boxes neat, and then get a crochet hook so that I can crochet my braids just like this. I go on rolling them around as I slope down. I think you've seen this. You've seen how I do butterfly locks or distress locks in most of my videos, or fox locks. You've seen them do it, but this time I am doing a transformation from dreadlocks to butterfly locks without cutting the locks off or removing them. Yes, this is how I go on rolling my brides on the dreadlocks of my clients. Make sure you do it in a perfect way, and remember, if she asks for a longer size, to see how to do it. She wanted a longer size where she could style very well and be able to hold a puff. So I had to make these distress locks or butterfly locks longer. So when you're rolling, when you want to make it longer, you have, as you've seen me do when rolling, you have to leave the part of the braids hanging, and then you get another and you add it on. You go on rolling just the way I am doing right here. You go on rolling it very well. Don't skip any gap, don't skip any place. Make sure you have enough braids. Don't skip any part of this. Yes, this is how I'm doing it. I go on. I also put in some butterflies, but she didn't want them so much. She's a gentle person. Yes. Then here I am winding up. I am making my end. This is how you make your hands neat, and then you can tie it in case you don't want it to undo itself, and then you hand roll it very well to make it neat. Yes, I'm going to my second strand. I salute my people from USA, Canada, Brazil. I salute my people from Mexico, all countries around there, I love you. Argentina, I love you so much. Every country that I haven't mentioned, I love you so much. I salute you, people in UK, people in England, Scotland, all these UK countries, and I also love you, people in other European countries, Sweden, Norway, Finland. Thank you so much for subscribing to Hair Crown UG. When it comes to Africa, oh my goodness, all African countries are following me. I love you so much. When you go to Asia, all Asian countries are following me. I love you so much. When you go to Australia, people are really following me up. I love you so much. Please keep up on this channel for all hair updates. Yes, you see here what I'm doing. I've added a butterfly there. That's how you add a butterfly. You just make sure you add it like that. So remember, I'm making it longer, so that's why I left this gap, so that I left this braid undone, so that I get, because I wanted to add an extension on the length. So I'm getting another braid to start from there. These braids are so good, they don't untie themselves, no, they're just wonderful. So I'm rolling it again, I'm taking it down as usual, as I've been always showing you how to do butterfly locks in my previous videos. So this is an amazing transformation. Please, if you want to have a different hairstyle yet to have dreadlocks, don't be bothered, and you may not be you may not be at a time where you want to lose your dreadlocks, but then but then at that particular time you want to have a different hairstyles. You can still have a different hairstyles on your dreadlocks. When I come back to I'll find a time and make for another video of a transformation from dreadlocks to a crochet hairstyle. Yes, to a crochet hairstyle. I'll show you how to do that, because even these same dreadlocks, you can make cornrows out of them and crochet any type of hair you want on top of them. So let me leave you to enjoy this beautiful transformation from dreadlocks to butterfly locks or distressed locks. Thank you so much for subscribing, and if you haven't, please do subscribe for more videos every day. I salute you. Let me leave you to enjoy. Please make sure you watch to the end. See you in my next video. I am JK as usual. Bye bye.